Welcome to the Boxymi tutorial, your all-in-one solution for home moving, storage, small businesses, and home organization. Let's dive into how Boxymi can simplify your life. Begin by downloading the Boxymi app. Open your App Store or Google Play, search for Boxymi, and install it on your mobile device. Next are just Boxymi's high-quality QR code labels. Once you receive them, stick a label on each box you plan to inventory. Now open the Boxymi app and register or log in. Use the built-in QR code scanner to quickly scan the label on your box. Add a description, input the exact location, and add keywords that describe the items. This will make future searches fast and efficient for any scenario. Select a photo from your image gallery or capture new ones. Then store your contents. Not sure what's in the box? Finding your boxes is a breeze with Boxymi. Simply scan the QR code to pull up the box details or enter specific keywords or locations. And that's it. With Boxymi, keeping track of your boxes, whether for home moving, storage, small businesses, or home organization, is fast, simple, and efficient. Get the Boxymi labels today and take control of your space.